Today is the our objective is to study op-amp as an inverter, next to move op-amp as a scale changer, and next to op-amp as an integrator, and last one is your op-amp as differentiator. Now we can focus one by one your topic. First come your as an inverter. We have already seen there is an inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier are those amplifiers which invert your input waveform, which is output is come 180 degree out of phase shift. Overall conclusion of this inverting amplifier, when your input signal is applied the negative terminal of op-amp, that is called inverting of amplifier, inverting amplifier. Similar way, this also op-amp as inverter. This means whatever you input is applied here, the output is come out of phase. Means suppose this one input is applied, now outputs come just opposite 180 degree out of phase. Here whatever there is input, same input amplitude also come in the output side. How it happened? When this feedback resistance and this one your input resistance R1, both are in equal in resistance value. Suppose let's consider R1 and RF means feedback resistance. We also in the previous lecture we taken here R2. This is a variable or symbol. You use R2 or RF means this is your feedback resistance. If both value R1 and R2 is the same, then circuit work as a inverter means whatever input is applied, the output is come 180 degree out of phase. Here you have seen here the input is applied your negative terminal and positive terminal is grounded. We have already seen in inverting amplifier this one of the relation inverting amplifier V output upon V input is equal to minus RF upon R1. By this put the relation RF upon R1, then both values equal, then cancel out, one of the come is minus 1 means multiply this cross product V output by Vi, multiply this minus I1, this one come of relation. You see here, observe this one relation, output is come 180 degree out of phase, this is negative, so 180 degree out of phase with input. This called as a inverter means whatever your input you apply in this sine form, the output is come 180 degree out of phase means same magnitude whatever output is come similar with input, only phase shift, that is called inverter, also called sign changer. Next to move your scale changer. Before go your scale changer, you see here one of the circuit, this one not even your syllabus but you focus here in the voltage follower circuit. Whatever voltage apply, suppose this one you apply, this is your AC signal is apply, input is apply in the positive terminal of op-amp. Now the output is come without phase shift means without phase shift means similar phase, there is no phase shift means zero phase shift means input is applied in positive terminal. This is called as a voltage follower circuit. You see here the relation is come output is equal to input. Here also same relation, but one of the difference is there is a negative sign. This is your negative sign. This one shows 180 degree out of phase means invert your input signal to output side. This is not invert. This is same input, whatever input, this also come output side. This use as a buffer amplifier. Okay, next move your op-amp as a scale changer. Scale changer means whatever your amplitude change input to output, that is called scale changer. Means if suppose there is a AC signal which is your this one amplitude, maximum amplitude of this one amplitude. Now this amplitude is increased in the output side means multiply by 2 means 2 times increase or 3 times increase. This one called scale changer. The word is here scale changer. You see here, this is your inverting op-amp means negative is connected your input signal and RF and R1. This is your feedback resistance, this is your input resistance. Now we here consider RF upon R1. This ratio is one of the constant. k is the constant, one of the real value. Now by putting this k value 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever you change the strength of your input, this value is put up here. Now we arrange this one equation. We already known in the inverting we find this one of the relation. Now R1 R1 we put a k. Now multiply this product cross multiply this one of the relation come. Now put this key value here. Use k represent your real value, means output is changed with multiply your k constant value by input signal. Negative is sign already seen 180 out of phase. This negative sign is shows your 180 out of phase. Only k here we focus only k. K is changed output voltage by this amount of k value. Now one of the example is so let's suppose k is equal to 2, means 2 times vi is equal to v naught, means scale of output scale of input change in the output side is 2 times of your input. Negative only shows your 180 out of phase. This is your scale changer. Next to move your op-amp as integrator, means already we have seen the application of op-amp is there is the mathematical operations such like your integrator, differentiator, adder, subtractor, etc. performed by your op-amp IC. One of the see here the integrator, which is op-amp is employed with your input resistance and the feedback your capacitor. This one of the your integrated circuit symbols. Now to see here, to equation form to see here, we have already seen the input is apply. This is negative terminal, Vi is apply negative terminal and positive is ground. One of the current is flow inside your R resistance. This one current also flow your capacitor. We have already seen due to virtual short circuit there is no current flow inside your op-amp. Now to derive your output voltage, means whatever the output voltage come, this come across your capacitor. Whatever the capacitor voltage across, this also represents your output voltage. Now we derive this relation. We see here I is your small I is your Vi upon R. This one of the relation. Now this I is current also flow inside your capacitor. We have already seen the in network or in electrical subject, I is equal to C dB by dt. V is the voltage across your capacitor. Represent here V is the voltage across capacitor. Now V is arranged in one sided, means we taken in the left sided and this one arranged in I by C. Now this one I is equal to this one of the relation is put here. This one Vi RC. Now this differentiate. Now this right side move this. This is the integrate. Now one of the RC is equal to Vi integration of Vi dt. Now Vi dt is represented here. V is the your voltage across capacitor. Now output voltage is equal to V output is equal to whatever the voltage appear in this across. This voltage equal to V is equal to this. Means V output is equal to minus V. Minus V depend here. The negative terminal is apply your signal. That's why it come your negative, means 180 phase shift. Now put up here V value. This one relation will come. You see here properly. Whatever the input is, whatever you input apply, output is come in integrated form. This one relation to means whatever you input apply, output come in integrated form. That's why it's a integrated circuit. Now, one of the example, suppose there is Vi. Vi is the square wave. Now apply this square wave with your, this your integrated circuit. Output come is as a triangular wave. One of the example your integrated circuit perform this experiment. Next one is your op-amp. Op-amp as a differentiator, means op-amp also perform a differentiator property. You see here. Now we have already seen the resistance is input side and feedback is capacitor side. Now we interchange this one. Now to see here, we interchange in differentiator. You see here, this is differentiator. Now out feedback is the resistance, input is your capacitor. Just opposite your integrator circuit. You see here, the input current is flow. This is also negative terminal is connected to Vi, positive is ground, and feedback is the resistance, input is the capacitor. Now I is current flow inside your capacitor. This also I current flow your R, means output voltage come across your resistance. means I multiply R is gives your output resistance. You see here I is equal to C dV by dt, already we have seen here, means V out is equal to minus is come on only due to negative terminal apply your AC signal 180 degree out of phase shift is represented here. Means now I is equal to IR, I's value is put up here in this equation. Now this come in this form. Now here we observe, means whatever input is applied, outputs come differentiated by form of your input signal, that is called op amp as a differentiator. In this here also in the practical also observe this experiment. Whatever suppose this is your square wave apply in your differentiator, the outputs come in the pulse form. Here square wave applied, this is come in triangular form. Here is input is applied, suppose there is square wave applied, the outputs come in pulse form. These are your topics of